So we're taking a left here. Where do we yield to again?
Oncoming.
Yup. So when we take a left, we get in the inside left lane by that yellow raised median. We got to pause here, oncoming. They're going left, we're going left. Nice and easy here. No gas, no brake. Inside left marker right down here. Excellent. And then we get up to speed. We're going to do some lane changes. So go ahead and get up to speeds. Yup. And signal right. Check your mirror. Check your blind spots. Right here. Right here. Look right here. Yep. And accelerate to the lane. Excellent. Let's do it again. Signal down. Signal down. Signal down. We're going to do a left lane change. Check your left mirror. Lean forward. Look back to the left like that. Yep. And accelerate to the lane. Excellent. And then we signal off. Excellent job. We're just going to take this all the way out of town. So you want a 4-second following distance minimum by the car in front. How do you know? They pass a non-moving object like this tree, then you start counting. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. If you pass that non-moving object before 4, 1,000, you want to increase your following distance. Go ahead and ease off the gas here. When we come into congestion and intersections, we brake early. So pressure here. Yep, and we really want to bring our speeds down. So a lot of pressure here. Then we can always release and creep up, because this is, as we enter congestion, this is where everyone starts switching lanes. So the slower you go, the more time you have to read and react. Like I said, you want a car length between you and the car in front. Minimum 4 seconds, following distance. The key to defensive driving is never driving too close to the car in front and never at the same pace as the car next to you. So if there's a car next to you, you let them get about 2 car lengths where that first truck is up there. This way, if someone comes up behind them, they have plenty of room to pass you both. It's not just about you being a safe, responsible driver. It's avoiding unsafe, irresponsible drivers, and there's a lot of them. So we create space. We create a safety zone. That's what we have right now. We're not too close to the car in front, and we're not at a pace next to us. So ease off. What we do is we create space, and then we continue at that pace. This is a wolf pack in front of us. We want that wolf pack to pull away, and then we'll be back here with all the lanes and all the space. This way it gives us time to read and react if something does happen up there, and it allows us to create and recreate that safety zone as people enter our zone. So ease off, let them pull away, because we're all going to get to the same red light up here anyways. So we just want to create space and continue at that pace.